Right guys, well welcome to Cadwell Park, the Nürburgring of the North as it's known. Awesome track, and guess what we've got going on? Yes, we've got Cup 200 Championship. It's a two-day event over the Saturday and the Sunday. We've got qualifying and race 1 on the Saturday and then race 2 on the Sunday, and we're looking for 6 cars out here on the grid. It's a big grid. We're banked on again with the Sports 1000 series. Awesome. Hopefully the weather's going to be good to us or not. We'll see. It could be epic, it could be wet, it could be dry. You never know at Cadwell Park. Let's see how we get on with Richard Webb. Thanks. Right, well, race 2 is done and dusted, and well, I'm going to say some unexpected results, some really close racing, some amazing weather here for race 2. Very, very different contrast to race 1. So let's see how we got on. Right, I'm here with Richard Webb from Atomic Racing and RLM, and we are just going to summarise this weekend because it's glorious sunshine now, but it's not been like that the whole weekend. So Rich is here to summarise that. Let's see how we got on. How do we get on, Rich?
Pretty well, to be fair. We had some new drivers out this weekend.
Yes, we did.
We had Mike and we had Ben, who's actually driving your works car. For their first race weekend, Cadwell Park is a tricky circuit anyway. It's not very wide, very little overtaking places. For race one, it rained. So they got Cadwell Park in the rain, and neither of them have raced before. And they both brought the cars home safely. Mike actually picked up a P3 in his first ever race.
Which was astonishing, really.
Absolutely
and
astonishing.
How did Mr. Webb get on?
We put Watson back in his box. we had a great race. Yeah, we had a really good battle. We brought it home in P4 overall in the wet conditions. We've said it before, the wet condition really just sort of brings all the cars together against the Sports 1000s and everything. We had a great battle. We had a little excursion towards the end of the race, which gave me a bit of breathing space. So yeah, no, race one was brilliant.
Now to stand there and watch these guys dance these cars on, I will say dance the cars around the track in the wet, because it was amazing that the car handling was phenomenal, the driver talent is off the chart. But it also came up just before the last lap. He actually got the fastest lap of the race, wasn't you? Yeah. And he was just pipped on the last lap as well.
Last lap, yeah.
So overall against the Sports 1000 series, so it was like phenomenal. And these cars in the wet are just astonishing. Off the line.
Yeah, they always get off the line really well, wet or dry. And yeah, they move around a lot in the wet, but they're just really predictable. Really predictable. Obviously, they're a lot softer car. We don't run roll bars, so in the wet we always just seem to have, you know, not an advantage over the Sports 1000 car, but it just levels it. And that shows in the results and the timing. So yeah, couldn't have asked for a lot more in race one.
No, brilliant. It was amazing. Race two, very different event. Overall results, we had a new winner, which was...
We did have a new winner. Ben turned up to his first ever race weekend. Came away with the first place trophy. Mike
came away saying there's some technical stuff with Dave and Rich, but they're always trying so hard in the cars. They always do fun things with them. Look, you got to finish, and Ben did finish, and Mike did finish it, etc. But do you know what? That's what I love about this series. It can throw anything into the works, isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah, and you know, it was again giving it to Mike and Ben. They just drove their socks off all weekend, brought the cars home. Almost in one piece for Mike. It's in one piece, it's just a little bit. Few battle scars,
yeah. So that was awesome. I mean, got to say, great weekend. Cadwell Park, the Nürburgring of the North, as they call it. You love this circuit, don't you?
Absolutely love it.
And where are we next, Rich?
We're at Snetterton.
Snetterton, and we should have at least...
I think we've got 9 confirmed.
Nine confirmed cars for Snetterton as well, guys. And that one, I think, is going live, I think, guys, as well. So if you can't get down to the circuit and come and see these, you can watch it on YouTube. I do believe they throw that out there. And Atomic Racing, they'll throw up a link, won't you, on your website? RLM will throw up a link. 750 and MK Sportscars, of course, will throw you up the link. So yeah, that's it here from an awesome Cadwell Park. Thanks, Rich. Awesome weekend again.
Great weekend.
And hope you guys enjoyed some of the onboard footage, because it just doesn't do it justice. That's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. We will catch you at Snetterton.
See you later, guys.